everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and this is my unboxing obsession. And what an obsession it is. I have a brand new box for you coming to my channel today. This box was sent to me for review, and this box is called Sprinkles and Wishes, and this box is unique bracelets to keep and or gift. So it is a box of happy. I'm looking at my iPad in case you're wondering, because I don't know anything about this box, so I have to read it off my iPad to tell you as well. It is a box of happy delivered to your doorstep every month. Each box will contain two seasonally themed wish bracelets, envelopes for mailing, a fun writing tool, stickers, confetti, and other surprises. Sounds fun. 2 handmade wish bracelets per month, fun extras like stickers, candy, confetti, and a little gift items. Your first box will contain a bonus mini wooden easel to display your cards, and then you get free shipping within the USA. And then it says, please note, contents in box will be similar but may vary from the photos. And this box is $10.75 a month, and all the orders will ship through United States Postal Service first class on the 5th of each month. And it says orders placed after the 10th of the month will ship on the 5th of the following month, and the subscriptions renew on the 15th of each month. Delivery times, please allow up to 10 shipping days, and they do ship worldwide from the United States, and subscriptions automatically renew, and you may cancel at any time. And they say that happiness is delivered right to your door, and they sell on Crate Joy right now. So this is a brand new box right on Crate Joy right now. So this is what the box looked like when it came to my door, and there's a cute little sticker upside down on the back of the box. My fault. It is such a cute little sticker. So you cannot see my address, but that is what it looked like when it came to my door. Let's get into this box. I'm so excited to see what is in here. Okay. Oh, isn't that just cute? Here is, I'm so excited. That's what it looks like when we open it. Oh, St. Patrick's Day box. Oh, it's so green. Oh, St. Patrick's LED light string, and it has 10 little lights in it. Oh, isn't that something? Oh, I'm not Irish, but I do love these little lights. I think that these are so cute. Oh, isn't that awesome? I can put these, I'm going to do a flower arrangement on my dining room table. So these are going to be perfect, and they're battery operated as well. These are going to be perfect. Come out. Perfect. Now I don't have to buy a set of lights. Those will be perfect. I just love the little shamrocks. Aren't those perfect? Oh, I just love those. And there's the battery pack. Those are perfect. Oh, I love that. That is going to be just wonderful. Now I can get my flowers. Awesome, 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 awesome. Great idea. What a great idea. Okay, let's see what else is in my wonderful little box. Oh, here's what that's what else is in there. Oh, that is so cute. Kiss me, I'm Irish, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Little buttons. And this box is so you can gift these or keep one for yourself. So there's one button for you and one to give away. My husband has some Irish in him, so. And then there's the pot of gold under the rainbow. at the end of the rainbow, right? At the end of, I told you I wasn't Irish. At the end of the rainbow. So maybe I can find the pot of gold. 4-leaf clover for good luck. Aw. Maybe I'll have some good luck from now on. It's a 4-leaf clover. Isn't that just so cute? Aw, I love that. Oh, and then we're coming to our bracelets. Oh my goodness. Keep calm and dance with the leprechauns. Oh, the idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true. And then it lists their Etsy shop, and then it says sprinkle and wishes at their, and that's their Etsy shop. If I can spit that out. That is so pretty. I'm gonna try and move it up so you can see the little 4-leaf clover on there. That is so pretty. I just love that. That is so pretty. And then there's the back where they have their little logo on there. That is so pretty. I just love that. That is so pretty. There's another look at it. That is beautiful. Oh, I just love that. Oh, here's another bracelet. Aw, happy St. Patty's Day. Aw, there's another 4-leaf clover. That is so cute. And then there's another one of their logo. Oh, and they actually tie that little, you can see where they tie it on there. That is just the patience that must have taken. I wear bifocals and I can just barely see. That is nice. I just love that. That is so pretty. Wow. Oh, there's still more in here. Get the little squigglies out of there. Oh, cards. The little cards that you give away with the bracelet. Oh, it's the, you put the, oh, okay, I get it. I see. You put the card, your bracelet, you put it in there, put the bracelet in there, and then you give one away. That is so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I love this idea. I do love this idea. That is so sweet. So you put your card in there, and then you seal it up, and and you can put your rainbow. Oh, I see. Okay, I get it. I love this idea. I love this idea. I should have like 5 more of these. So I have 7 grandkids. I love this idea. You can put that on there, and then put one of your. I love this idea. This is genius. And then have one for like Valentine's Day and Easter and Christmas and Mother's Day and Father's Day. This is genius. Ah, I love, there's a green pen in here. A green pen too. She thought of everything. Oh my goodness. I just love this. This is so cute. I like this box. This is a very neat box. I do like this box. This is a very nice box. Very nice. I do like this box. So I'm going to show you everything in the box again. I think this is a very cute box. And if you'd like to get a sprinkles and wishes box, I will leave the link down below so that you can get one of your own. I think this is a cute box for anybody, really. This is a cute box. There you go. There's my sprinkles and wishes box. And like I said, if you'd like to get your own, I'll leave the link down below for you to go ahead and get on over to Crate Joy and get yourself one of these wonderful little boxes. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.